I mean, it's like, think about this. If you have a car, it's just sitting in your driveway for like most of its life with like you not in it and like nothing going on in it and there's nothing in it and it's just sitting there. You know what I mean? Like, that would be lonely. Like, your car, it's so nice, right? Like, it's got seats and it has, a roof and stuff. It has windows. There are windows everywhere. Some people's houses don't even have as many windows as cars have. You know? Your car is just like there for you. But, you're probably not in it a lot. You're probably not in it that much, really. And it's just sitting there. Nobody in it. Nothing going on. It's like I realize, like, I wake up in my car. I wake up in my car. And I start looking around and I just feel it. And it's like, if I wasn't in here, it would be sitting somewhere, being comfortable and being welcoming and being shelter and being nice, and pretty. But there would be nothing there to enjoy it. There would be nobody there. I'd be sitting in a fucking house or another building, rotting away slowly, dying. While my car is just like out here doing the same thing, only like alone. I love waking up in my car because there's so much natural light that's constantly coming in, and and it's nice. It's like a little cocoon of like rest and rejuvenation. It's like if you have a comfortable bed in it, it is absolutely a safe haven cocoon of solitude. Because you're alone in here, right? Like, ain't nobody else fitting in here with you. Thank God. You know what I mean? It's like, and it's just that everybody should have this. Everybody should have the individual space, the solitude. Like, we can come together, after, like, when we're ready to, when we're rested, when we're ready to come together, right? We can come together with one another and be together. But at the end of the day, I feel like everybody needs their space and everybody needs a place that they can go and rest and rejuvenate so that they can be restored. And that makes coming together so much better too, because I've never been like a huge fan of the saying that absence makes the heart grow fonder. Like, I don't know, it kind of pisses me off a little bit. Like, even though like I literally just said like, everybody needs time apart and everything, it's like, yes, I mean, but I just feel like you can have the best of both worlds. You can have your individual space, your individual living quarters made for one. And then you can come out and you can play with people and experience togetherness. There's no reason why you can't have both, and there's no reason why you can only have one, right? There's no reason why. We can have it all. But yeah, it's like I wake up in my car and I'm so comfortable and I'm so glad to be where I am because I know that I'm like amidst this insanely beautiful, like deserty kind of landscape, and it's like tomorrow I could be somewhere else if I wanted. And you can't do that in a house. It's like, why do we have houses? We have houses so that we can be sheltered, right? It's for shelter. I don't understand why your shelter needs to be all that much, many times bigger than your body is, right? You're just trying to shelter your body from the elements. So why would you need a big house for that when you could have like a small vehicle type of thing that provides that shelter? And I mean, also, it's like if you live somewhere in a house that has extreme weather, like wintry, that you've got to like protect yourself from, or else you're gonna die. That's not a problem with a mobile lifestyle because you can move around with the weather, right? You really could. If you were hella determined about it, like, you could do that and it would be possible. I think the United States has plenty of variation in that way. Like, you can find somewhere where it's pretty warm, even when it's winter everywhere else. So, it's doable. Like, think about your car. Is your car lonely? If your car is lonely, you should probably live in it.